Hey guys, if you've got a Shopify store and you want to increase your income by increasing your average order value, I've got the perfect app for you, and it's really easy to use and it's pretty affordable too. The best thing about this is it's got an automatic AI funnel, which will work out the best one-click upsells for you. So you can just turn that on and let it do its thing, and it'll start increasing your orders. If you do know which products go together, then you can create your own custom funnel, and it's really, really straightforward to do. So in this, I'm going to show you how to install the app and then get it configured with the AI funnel first, and then we'll look at adding your own custom funnels. The app starts at about $8, and as your store scales up, the app price increases ever so slightly. You can see in this chart here. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. Log into your Shopify store. We're going to go here to Apps and search for One Click Upsell. Click on this. And just make sure it's the one by Zipify, press install. Install. And then you've just got to approve your subscription, so it starts at $8 a month. Then press continue. And we're just going to do a few things with the theme and define the app. So we go into the theme editor. You just basically got to confirm that it's okay to use it. So I'm just going to tick this to enable the upsell drawer to appear on the theme and press save. Then I'm going to go back to my tab. And then we've got to go to checkout post-purchase and tick the one-click upsell button. So use an app to add after features, tick this. So it's enabled, and then scroll back to the top and press save. Go back to your main store admin page. And then on the left-hand side now, we've got One Click Upsell. I'm just going to pin that to the navigation so I can get to it easily. And then press One Click Upsell. If it does freeze and go white, just hit the refresh one more time and it should load okay. And it's just running through a few checks. So we've enabled the drawer and we've defined it as our post-purchase upsell. So we can now click on Start Upselling. And you've got a couple of options here. You can start with a blank one if you know what you're doing with it. But I'd probably recommend if you're just starting out with this, just press the Boost AOV with one click. And this should get you started and up and running. Save and publish. And a bit of this is if you get stuck or you kind of want to run some ideas past somebody, you could go and click on the messenger down here and you can chat to the support team. Are super helpful and they'll help you customize it and get the most out of the product. Here's some information tips. By clicking on quick tips, it explains a bit about what you can do and gives you some recommendations. Next, I'm going to add in a slide cart drawer. So you want to be on the one click upsell, slide cart drawer, create cart drawer. And we're just going to enable it. Another way you can help with the analytics and the AI is in the settings. You can enable the analytics. So this will help the AI generate better offers for you. Turn that on and then press save. You can also create manual funnels. When you go to add funnel, you can create a blank one. And when you go into it, it's going to look something like this. So here's one I've pre-made. I've clicked on it. So what I've done in the title, as I've said, well, if someone buys the YouTube pack, it's also going to try and upsell them to my cinematic and badass transitions pack. And all I had to do is go into product, select add product, and that's where I chose the YouTube pack. So I added that in. And then project widget, leave that blank, otherwise it breaks the site. Pre-purchase upsell. So when they go to the checkout, it's going to show them this. And then on the post-purchase, once they've bought the item, it's also going to try and upsell them to this, and you can set different percentages. If you want to edit a percentage, well, usually there it says 10, all I've got to do is go edit offer, make sure you save as you're going through it, and then edit the offer. So here's how the ad's going to look, showing that 10% savings, and you can style it as you want here. You can display the offer, then an incentive, you've got a time limit, you can set that here. The buy box, we can scroll down and here you can set the discount types. You can go fixed amount or percentage. And then go back. Press save if you've made any changes. And that's how you could use a custom funnel. On the front end of the site, if I go to packs, go to YouTube, this is going to show our custom funnel, add to cart. Now I'm in the cart, I go to checkout, and here is our pre-purchase upsell, which is the cinematic pack. So if we look at that, it's this one here. And then if I carried on with the checkout process, so if I added that to my order, and then I went and got the badass conditions as well, which is the next one in, that would bump up the order quite a bit. So it's quite effective. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and smash that subscribe. And well, if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.